Welcome students. We are going to discuss today present perfect continuous. We have been discussed three tense in present tense. One is present indefinite, second present continuous and present perfect. Now in this video we will learn about present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. First of all, we must look at the definition. Any verb or actions started in past but still continuing in present time. Any verb or actions started in past but still continuing in present time. ऐसा कोई काम जो पास्ट में पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था, यानी अतीत में शुरुआत हुई थी उसकी, लेकिन अभी तक वो चल रहा है, वर्तमान में भी वो चल रहा है, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में आते हैं, यानी तब से चल रहे हैं और अभी तक चल रहा है। ठीक है, हिंदी में इनको से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं से पहचानते हैं। जैसे वह सुबह से पैदल चल रहा है, तो सुबह से पैदल चल रहा है। वह सुबह से खाना खा रही है, या वो सुबह से रो रहे हैं। इन दिस वे ये हिंदी में पहचान। बट as we discussed earlier tense, present, indefinite, simple, continuous and perfect. In this way, present perfect continuous. Again I am going to speak definition. Any verb or actions started in past but still continuing in present time, that type of sentences we must write in present perfect continuous. So structure, if we talk about structure, subject has have plus been plus ing form. Ing form is, we can also consider this ing form, the ing form as before also. Many times we can write fourth form verb, or we can say after ing form of verb. Okay, so structure, subject plus has have plus been, ing form of verb plus object plus for or since plus time. For or since plus time. Okay, we will discuss about when we will use for and when we will use since, and after that time. Okay, example, he has been doing this book for 2 hours. He has been doing this work for 2 hours. वह 2 घंटे से यह काम कर रहा है, 2 घंटे से। यहाँ पर टाइम बताया है कि कितनी देर तक। He has been doing this work for 2 hours. वो यह काम 2 घंटे से कर रहा है। She has been singing a song since morning. वह सुबह से गाना गा रही है। She has been singing a song since morning. वह सुबह से गाना गा रही है। राकेश has been reading this book since Monday. राकेश इस बुक को मंडे से अभी तक पढ़ रहा है। राकेश has been reading this book since Monday. राकेश इस बुक को मंडे से पढ़ रहा है। Let's see what is the difference when we will use for and when we will use since. Only thing, for and since. In this structure, we are always using helping verb and being ing form verb. But here, some students may confuse here when we will use for and when. For का यूज कब करना है और since का यूज कब करना है। तो for का यूज तब किया जाता है for 2 hours since Monday, यानी कितना टाइम उस काम ने लिया है या कितने टाइम से वो कर रहा है, पूरा जो डोमेन बताना है। 2 घंटे से कर रहा है, 4 साल से कर रहा है। So that type of sentence we will use for. और इनिशियल पॉइंट जब से वो काम शुरू हुआ है वो अगर टाइम बताना है, when work started at that point on Monday on 2 PM on 1995 and since 1995, तो जिस समय से काम स्टार्ट हुआ उसके लिए since यूज किया है। So इसमें for में टोटल टाइम आ जाता है। टोटल टाइम मीन्स पास्ट से लेके प्रेजेंट तक का जितना टाइम होगा टोटल टाइम for के लिए यूज किया जाता है। और since मतलब इनिशियल टाइम। You have to write this thing, note down it. 4 is used for total time till the present. Present तक कितना टाइम हो गया है. And since is used for initial time. कब से start हुआ था कब तक. We can again see this example. He has been doing this work for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से ये काम कर रहे हैं. 2 hours के लिए 4 यूज किया गया. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पर आ जाता कि वो इस काम को 5 बजे से कर रहे हैं, then he has been doing this work since 5 a.m. Okay, so for 2 hours. Like in second example, she has been singing a song since morning. Since morning है ना, यहाँ पर इनिशियल टाइम आ गया. कब से स्टार्ट किया? मॉर्निंग से. So वो मॉर्निंग से लेकर अभी तक गाना गा रही है. अगर यहाँ पर उसने 3 घंटे गाना गाया, ऐसा आता. She has been singing a song for 3 hours. For 3 hours since morning. Okay, so there is a slightly difference. Rakesh has been reading this book since Monday. So since is always used from the initial time, and for is used for the total time. Okay. So my dear students, I think you may never confuse about these things. Since and for used for this. Now we will talk about structures. Structure first, affirmative sentences. This is simple sentences. Subject as usual. Subject has, have plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus force plus time. Here ing form of verb is same. Okay, we have discussed ing form of verb, or we can say fourth form of verb. These two things is same. Okay, so subject plus has, have plus been plus. Again example, they have been working for 5 days. वो 5 दिनों से काम कर रहे हैं. She has been teaching them since 4 p.m. वो उनको 4 बजे से पढ़ा रही है. She has been teaching them since 4 p.m. वो उनको 4 बजे से पढ़ा रही है. So कब से? 4 बजे से तो since आ जाएगा. कितना? 4 आ जाएगा. कितने दिन? 5 days. 4. Okay. So you must note down it carefully. This is easy. With the help of structure, we can make so many sentences. And you, my dear students, you must use this structures to deliver so many sentences. Okay, so note down it. So my dear students, after affirmative sentences we will talk about negative sentence. So we have to put only not in the structure. Okay, so structure for negative sentences is subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus for or since plus time. Okay, so everything we discussed, only we have to put not to make negative sentences. Example, they have not been working for 5 days. वो 5 दिनों से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. They have not been working for 5 days. So 4 is used for total time, 5 days. Again, she has not been teaching them since 4 p.m. वो उनको 4 बजे से नहीं पढ़ा रही है. यहाँ पर भी again since is used for initial time, 4 p.m. Okay. So again negative sentence structure is subject plus has, have. Only we have to put not before being. Okay. Now for interrogative, to make questions with the help of helping verbs. Interrogative sentence, our structure is has, have plus subject plus being plus fourth form of verb plus object for since plus time and question. Now example, I am giving you example for comparison. Same example in other structures. So you will make note about it. So my dear students, for interrogative sentences, you will use the structure as, have plus subject plus being plus fourth form of verb plus object, remaining is same. Okay. So example is comparative. Here we are using not, but here helping verb we will use first helping verb. So have they been working for 5 days? क्या वो 5 दिनों से काम कर रहे हैं? Has she been teaching them since 4 p.m.? क्या वो उनको 4 बजे से पढ़ा रही है? Okay, in this way we are making interrogative sentences and this is the structure. So I think you understand about for and since. When we will use for total time we will use for, and for initial time when work is started we will use since. Now second one, interrogative negative. Okay, interrogative negative, the structure is has, have plus subject plus noun plus being, fourth form verb plus remaining is same. Okay, again example, have they not been working for 5 days? क्या वो 5 दिनों से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं? Has she not been teaching them since 4 p.m.? क्या वो 4 बजे से उनको नहीं पढ़ा रही है? Again, have they not been working for 5 days? क्या उनको वो 5 दिन से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं? Has she not been teaching them? क्या वो उनको 4 बजे से नहीं पढ़ा रही है? In this way, we will use structure for different sentences. The last type of sentence, WH questions, we will discuss. First, you have to note it in your copies. Now, my dear students, in present perfect continuous, the last structure, but not least, WH questions. The structure is WH verb has, have plus subject plus being plus fourth form of verb plus object plus for and since plus time and question. Here WH words we already discussed about it. How many types of WH words and what are the WH words? Again we can take example what, why, where, who, why. Okay, these are the WH words. With the help of them we can make WH questions. Okay, and we already discussed about the uses of for and since, when we will use for and when we will use since. Okay, now example related this structure. Why have they been working for 5 days? वो 5 दिनों से काम क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why have they been working for 5 days? Next, why has she been teaching them since 4 p.m.? वो 4 बजे से उनको क्यों पढ़ा रही है? Okay, in this way we can make WH questions. We can change why from where also. Where has she been teaching them since 4 p.m.? वो उनको कहाँ पढ़ा रही है 4 बजे से? Okay, in this way. So our present tense is completed. Now I am going to deliver you a chart for present tense, and in this way we have completed our present tense. Okay, I am going to deliver you chart. So my dear students, our present tense is completed, but again we can take a review. In present tense there is 4 subtypes: present indefinite, we can call it simple also; continuous, we can call it progressive also; perfect and perfect continuous. So these 4 different types, therefore structures with example is here. You can note it down. First is present indefinite, subject plus first form of verb with s or es in verb plus object. Example, he always comes late. He always comes late. Again in continuous, structure subject plus is plus ing form of verb plus object. Example is he is coming today. वो आज आ रहा है. Here he always comes late. वो हमेशा लेट आता है. We have discussed यहाँ पर जो habitual चीजें हैं, आदतन चीजें हैं, उसके बारे में बताया जाता है. यहाँ पर जो चीजें कंटिन्यूस है, प्रोग्रेसिव है, रेगुलर है, तो मतलब अभी के टाइम में चल रही है. He is coming late. Now perfect, जो काम अभी जस्ट फिनिश हुआ है. He subject plus has, have plus third form verb plus object. Example, he has come today. वो आज आ चुका है. Okay. Now the last perfect continuous, structure subject plus has, have plus been plus ing form of verb plus object since, for plus time. Example, he has been coming here for 2 days. वो यहाँ पर 2 दिनों से आ रहा है। He has been coming here for 2 days. If we use here Monday, then we have to use since here. Okay, we have discussed about it. This is for some type of tense. In this way, we are completing our present tense. Okay, my dear students, you can make so many sentences with the help of structures. We will discuss in next video about past tense. Okay.